What's up, guys? What's up? I'm here back again giving you another weekly tutorial, and this week it's on hair, but hair plus your wig. And it's all about how to get all your hair under your wig cap, making your wig still look very natural without any braiding technique. I get asked all the time, how do you do it? Your wigs look so natural and I want to put all my hair under, but I don't know how to braid, or I can't get to a stylist to braid me down. What should I do? So it's super easy, super simple, and it's super quick. Should only take you about 10 minutes. Make sure you stay tuned to this video. Not only do you stay tuned, but you like and subscribe to my channel, and I have these tips every week. So let's go ahead and get started. See you guys soon. All right. As you guys can see, I'm wetting my hair down. I'm going to go ahead and make sure that the hair is very saturated. If you don't have a spray bottle, you can just go ahead and hop in the shower, wet the hair down, and then go from there. I did not do it that way just because I recently shampooed my hair a few days ago. So I'm just doing it this way by wetting it down with a spray bottle, making sure that it's super wet. Next, I'm then going to go ahead and take a natural oil. I made this mixture myself. It's a whole bunch of essential oils that I can discuss in another video. But I'm taking that, applying it to my ends and working my way up. You want to make sure that you actually saturate your hair fully, because this style can last you up to a week. And you don't want your hair to break. You want to still keep it moisturized. So make sure you're really working this oil throughout the whole head like you see me doing so. Not just at the ends, but in the scalp as well. Next, you want to go ahead and grab your comb so you can go ahead and split your hair in half. The part does not have to be perfect because we will be putting on a cap, so don't kill yourself if you don't have a perfect part. If we were braiding it down in multiple cornrows, then you will want a perfect part. But since we're not braiding it down, it really doesn't matter. I'm all about sections, so to make your life easier, go ahead and clamp up one side and focus on the other. I'm going to go ahead and detangle my hair off camera, and I'll see you guys soon. Now that my hair has been detangled and my part is still there, I'm going to go ahead and brush my hair down into a lower ponytail, but instead of putting the rubber band on it, I'm actually going to braid it. When you're braiding, you want to make sure it's a super tight braid. The tighter the braid, the more compact your hair will be, which will give you a flatter application for your wig. Don't you want a flatter wig? Hopefully you know how to do a 3-strand braid. If not, leave a comment below asking me to do a video on that, and that might be the next tutorial. If you don't, you can totally do a 2-strand braid. Basically, we're just trying to condense the hair. Condensing the hair is the solution to the problem. You just might have to do another step if you do the 2-strand instead of the regular braid, which I'll talk about when that process comes up. And if you're totally confused, also leave a comment below and I'll be more than welcome to explain. Once you have condensed the braid by either braiding it or doing your 2-strand twist, you should seal it with the rubber band. After you have completed that side, what you do to one side, you have to do to the other. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this process up, and I'll see you guys soon. Yes, wow, my Pocahontas braids, yes. So now that I have done both braids, I just want to go ahead and smooth out the top by brushing down all the little hairs that have poked out. And now I'm going to show you on how you will pin up your two braids. So you have your two braids, right? You're going to go ahead and crisscross them and then bobby pin them down. All right? Crisscross the back and bobby pin them down. Let me go ahead and show you the back version so you'll totally understand what I'm saying. All right, so we are in the back. You want to take one of your braids, you want to bring it across to the other side of the head, and you just want to bobby pin that down, like so. Then you want to go ahead and take the other braid, bring it across to the other side, and you would bobby pin that down, like so. To secure your bobby pins, you can just go ahead and do 3 little circles at the root and tack the bobby pin into the scalp, and that would definitely hold your bobby pins. And it's pretty simple, just like that. Nice and tight, nice and compact. I mean, this wig is gonna be flat as heck. Alright, so we need to go ahead and tack down those little guys in the front. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab the hair and you're just going to bend it back to where the braid started at the roots. Like so. And you're just going to go ahead and tack that down. Remember, what you do to one side, you must do to the what? Other. So let's go ahead and pin this down. And now, woo! Yes, my hair is flat. Looks like I'm bald headed, right? Next step is to grab your wig cap. So I have a tan wig cap. You want to make sure whichever wig cap you grab that it actually is close to your scalp. So a little bit lighter than your natural skin tone is what I recommend. If you don't have a cap, you can also use a mesh net cap, which I absolutely love. I love this cap over a regular cap because you actually could put your combs, your wig combs, into the net, and also your hair is able to breathe, especially during the summertime. I mean, wigs are hot as it is, so having a cap under it on top of the wig, whew, girl, it can be hot. But with this cap, it will help. Alright guys, so that's one method. And then if you feel like your hair is still too big, you will want to go ahead and use a regular wig cap like I'm doing right now. You will apply it. Make sure it's nice and snug. If it's a little bit loose, that means you've worn it way too much. Time to get a new one. So I have it on my head. I feel like the back is still too big right now, so I'm going ahead and put on another wig cap on top of the one that I have on. Just like so. So I have 2 wig caps on. Man, it looks like I really have no hair. That's what's up! Now it's time to apply that wig, and that's it, guys. And that's it, guys. I mean, look at this. Look how flat, look how natural it looks, and it was only done with 2 braids. It took no time. It was super easy, and you can totally do this yourself. Until next time, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys next week. Peace.